What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video here at Paisa Built. Aquí andamos con mi compita Papaya. So I'm gonna tell you guys more about what that truck is, but right now we're gonna head out and we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna wash the trucks, and I'll show you guys and tell you more about what's going on. But for now, let's hop onto this red truck and let's go eat some birria. Que llegamos a Tacos Alex. ¿Qué vamos a comer, Papaya?
Unos taquitos.
Taquitos de birrio.
Yo no creo que suelto. Son de piedras. Dos. Para que vean.
Sí.
Y me da los tacos de...
Ay, a ver si podemos, a ver si
No mete algo, perro.
no mete algo, ¿verdad? Sí.
Me gusta la vida de desempleado.
Está todo bonito, pero hasta el viernes que llegue el cheque valemos madre. Bueno, la semana que viene, esta semana nos va a
Otra
tocar.
semana no, otra semana va a estar llegando. ¿Cuántas sí?
¿Quieres animar? Si no puedes dejarme agarrar una gypsy de eso.
Sí, pues...
No, pues
Hey, what's so expensive, bro?
se llamaban tacos.
This was taxing on Village. 2060.
Ok, pues aquí andamos, vamos a lavar la troca para tomarle unas fotos y para darles más información sobre el giveaway que vamos a empezar. Estamos en un self-wash. I'm a little bit lazy to wash it by hand, but this will do. I mean, it's probably gonna get dirty again. But yeah, we're just waiting on our turn so we can go in there, and then so the little machine can wash it. Just waiting on Papaya. No sé, ahí está. Se me perdió un rato en el camino. We're washing the trucks here, and that's la Shelby está allá atrás. Está chida la troquita. Que andamos sacando la mamalona. Tell you guys a little bit more about it here when I finish it, but it has fresh paint job. So let me get it all washed up, and I'll show you guys the truck. Alright guys, so we finally were able to wash this truck, and now I can explain to you. But yeah, I mean, we bought a new truck. We bought a 2005 Silverado RST in a really good condition. We bought it because we got a good deal out of it, and we needed something for the brand. It has a fresh paint job. It has a really clean interior for what it is. I mean, it's a good truck. Show you guys the interior. I haven't really cleaned it up, but it has its original seats. It's a 4.8 standard. Interior's pretty good condition. ¿Qué más les podré decir? Está todo original, trae su cold air intake y viene en factory con long, short tube headers. Look at that front end. Tuvimos que poner el placazo y le pusimos un sticker acá atrás. But yeah, what do you guys think about the new build? My plans are to put, my bad, my camera died, but yeah, we're gonna aim going towards a Bogart wheel or maybe an intro wheel. We probably, I don't know what the plans are, but for now we have a truck. It's a nice looking truck. We can use it. We could probably do some burnouts on it, and see what happens. I mean, these trucks, I mean, it's gonna, if they offer me the right amount, I'll let it go, but I'm gonna try to keep it. I'm gonna try to keep it for this show season, fix it up, make it look nice, and use it for the content, and see what else we can do to it. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this new build. Let me know your opinions, what you think I should do to it, and yeah, I mean, it's a really simple. I just like the fact that it's like original and clean. It's hard to find these trucks nowadays. And then next, I'm gonna show you guys our new giveaway for those that haven't seen it on Instagram. Let me open them up and then I'll show you guys the wheels and show you guys how you can get entered to this giveaway. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you guys our current giveaway that started today. We're going to run it all the way to about May or June. No va a pasar de June. Every $10 you spend is going to give you one entry for that. We have updated our website, so we have items of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks. So all you gotta do is go ahead and go online and cop your merch, and we'll get you entered to that. And I'm gonna be doing discounts. I'm gonna be doing special items that will give you those entries for a lower price, and you're still going to get your normal entries. So we have the 24-inch Snowflake replicas in silver, and we have 22-inch Hellcat reps. So the winner will be able to choose either if they want this or this. 4 brand new wheels, no tire included. You guys can take care of that, but these are going to be brand new wheels from the box, straight from the tire shop. I want to thank El Vecino Tire Shop here in Albuquerque for helping me make this possible. We have joined up with him and he is helping us do this giveaway. These are the satin finish, and this has, I like how it has the silver and the machine in silver. ¿Qué opinas, papaya?
Está bien.
So, se pueden ganar estos rines. Nomás tienen que ir al sitio de web paisabuild.com y nomás compran algo de mercancía. Cada $10 que gasten en el sitio de web les va a dar una entrada a estos rines. So, así de fácil pueden ganarse unos rines para la mamalona y estar estrenando. We're gonna try to make all of our giveaways a bit better every single time. So with the support of you guys, we'll be able to make this possible. We're trying our best to win all the support from everyone that is watching our videos, have us on social media, and everyone else who hasn't known about us. So we're aiming for the moon. But ahí está. We are gonna have. We are making a couple new designs. For example, we're gonna be releasing this sweater. This is a black on black hoodie, and we're gonna be having black on black t-shirts and 2 new designs, and then we have some more in the works. We're pushing to try to go into the car scene a little bit, so we can be universal and try to go to the car shows, truck shows, and everything in between. But go ahead and check out the new merch. We'll be uploading this on the websites and on the social media on Instagram. I hope I can get this video out, but our last giveaway for the sunroof ended, so I appreciate everyone who joined, and that will be going live on the 18th of February. We're doing a meet here in town, and we'll be going live, so anyone who wants to join in Albuquerque, just pull up and just have a good Sunday with us. But there it is, guys. Giveaway, new truck. Papaya didn't work today, so we took advantage of coming and washing them. Talay Papaya. Appreciate Papaya for being part of the team and helping me out. We're gonna just go to as much truck shows as we can. ¿Qué Papaya? ¿Qué show vamos a tratar de ir? ¿Qué show vamos a tratar de ir a este año?
Todo. Vamos a ir a Cali, Ojalá, a bandas. ¿Dónde más?
Vamos a tratar de ir a Colorado. Our plan, no sé, mejor vamos a Convoy, pero no sé si vaya a llevar el brand Convoy. Si no, estamos tratando de ir a Cali. So all your merch that you buy from us is gonna help us get to California, and then after that it's gonna be bandas, and then probably we have a show here in town by those AZ guys in April. So actually that's gonna happen April, May, March, after Cali. That's gonna happen after Cali. Pues no sé a dónde cae. Bueno, no sé dónde llegamos, pero no estábamos hablando, pero pinche cámara a veces se corta la güey. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate for you guys watching. It's a short little video. Just want to show you guys our new giveaway and the new truck. And we gotta go pick up some prints. We bought a ton of new shirts. We have to go pick up the prints from the print shop, because we offer services like that. We do all of our shirts. We do them in-house. So we have our wholesaler who gives us the prints, DTF. If you want any designs made or printed, hit me up on the Instagram, and we can get them done for you. We'll ship them out. But we'll go pick that up, and probably show you guys when we're making them. I'm gonna try to start on them tonight, so I can go ahead and release them. And if not, then we'll catch you guys on the next one. You guys have a good day, and make sure to cop your merch, paisabelt.com. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.